Welcome back to the mental house.
Hello, darlings.
How you doing?
Okay. Today I'm going to spend about 25 minutes showing you how to do almost absolutely nothing to my face. I'm going to do my makeup. And by the end of it, I'm going to look almost exactly the same. And then you're going to ask yourself, why did I just watch him do nothing for 25 minutes? It's because it's my YouTube channel. That's what I do. Nothing. All the time. I do not like doing stuff. Anyways, so, here we go. I'm gonna beat my face until I'm pretty. So first thing I'm doing quick, I want to pull my hair back because it's getting long and it's at that stage where it doesn't really want to go back by itself, but it's always in the way and it bothers me. I ain't doing much today. I ain't doing a full face or nothing. I'm just gonna do my emo thing. My emo thing, yeah. Oh, and welcome back to my channel, Maison Haffie, also known as MentalHouse. Hi, it's your boy, or your girl, or your alien, or whatever you want to call me, I don't care. So, here we go. I'm gonna start with doing my brows. I'm gonna take this comb. I'm literally gonna brush my eyebrows up. Look at them brushed up eyebrows. Then I'm gonna take this CoverGirl Plumpify Blast Pro that doesn't really have anything left in it. I just use it to literally brush my eyebrows. So here. Fill them in a little bit. And now they have a bit of stickiness to them. So I'm gonna take this brush. It's a 99-cent brush I got from like somewhere or someone at some point. I don't really know where I got most of my makeup. I just somehow managed to acquire it. And then, so what I'm gonna do is just and pat. Oh my God, I forgot Q-tips. That means I'm gonna have to get up and go get Q-tips. Oh no! Wait, and then pat. Yay, look at that. Filling in our eyebrows, holy moly. And then I'm gonna take this littler brush. It has a chewed off piece at the end because of some animal that was once in my life. And I assume it was the animal that goes by the name of Sage. He's a dog. He's a pretty dog. He's very androgynous. So now, I'm gonna take this brush. Oh, by the way, I'm using this palette. I don't know what it's called. I lost the front of it a long time ago, and it's very cheap makeup, and the black comes out kind of gray, but I go with it. I know. I'm bougie. All right. Do the other side. Okay. There you go. Oh my god, I'm doing the same thing on this side now. This is so exciting, everybody. Wow. I bet everyone's having so much fun watching me do this because none of us have ever seen anyone ever do this on YouTube, and I'm so original. Yay, there we go. So now I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Max Volume Waterproof Hydrofuge Mascara Teardrop Pink Revlon something, not Revlon. It's once again Max. Yay. And then I'm gonna take this and I'll pull it out like that. I'll pull it out and then I'm just gonna literally just brush up my eyebrows. And then do it again on the other side. Brush, up, brush, brush, up, brush, brush, and then brush, brush. Okay, woohoo. Now I'm gonna do this thing. And I don't see many people do this. It's just something I do. There you go. Do you see how this one's pointed and this one's rounded? I spent my whole life trying to fix that and trying to get it fixed by people, and some people can, but I think it has something to do with the shape of my face. I don't fucking know. Oh, I swore I'm gonna have to bleep that out. Okay, so there we go. Now that I did more of like it's like a black caterpillar on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and underline my eyes with more black makeup. Nothing screams personal, lively, and full of life like wearing nothing but black and hating yourself. I don't actually hate myself, but a lot of people do, so that should be a relatable joke. I'm here to tell you, don't hate yourself, love yourself. Give yourself a hug, pat yourself on the back, eat 2 tubs of ice cream, cry about your weight, and then try to fix it for a day, and then go back to your old lifestyle. Do anything, help yourself, become a better you. I really do believe you can work on yourself though and be your best self. It takes a little bit of motivation, a bit of dedication, and a bit of hard work. And it's not like you have to do everything at once. You can take things very slow. There's a lot of life, and you can really take your time, you know? Just do what you want to do. I'm debating on whether I want to be creative or not. One of my favorite things to do is an eyebrow ombre. But I don't really know if I want to do that because I'm afraid of messing it up and then taking too long on this video. So, yeah. So I'm gonna take this this $1.99 face paint and put it on my eyelid and possibly get an infection or this thing. Nothing says quality makeup like $1.99 face paint that you can get from almost any Halloween store. There you go. Now that I have my face paint on my eyelids or bottom, my eye tear duct things, the watery flesh under eyeball thing. That's all. So now, that's all set and ready. I'm going to take this eyeliner again. And now I'm gonna literally put it on my eyelashes because I know a lot about makeup, and I know that mascara is used for eyelashes usually. Like, I know, I'm pretty much a makeup guru. I don't like to boast or anything, but like, makeup is like, I really have nothing to say after that. I really had no direction. I was gonna try to say something funny, but I'm just being sarcastic because I know nothing of makeup and I literally use fucking face paint as makeup. And then I'll use like lip stain for mascara, or I mean not lip as mascara, but lip stain as eyeshadow. And that sucks. I have a hair in my eyeball and I don't like it. Sad. I'm gonna put another layer of this on so it smears off again in another 10 minutes. There you go. Oh no, God. All right, there you go. And now I'm gonna take this stuff, and this is called Physicians for Mola Loss Marcus Lungafsta Volume and Length. And boom, 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 boom. Do a little volume, do a little volume, volume. I like to put the volume of my music up so loud that I can't hear my own thoughts because I'm very mean to myself. Fun fact, you can turn your music up as loud as you want. You'll always hear your thoughts. They never go away. They are there to taunt you every day of your life. Ha! Till you have a psychotic breakdown. Ha 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 ha! I'm not joking. Now do the bottom ones. I used to never do my bottom eyelids, but then I saw this one makeup person do them, and for whatever reason, that day I was like, wow, that's what I like now, even though I never have my whole life. There we go. Yay. Let's add an extra little bit of pizzazz up in this ball I call an eye. Poop brown. In the sun, they're kind of honey. Honey brown eyes. What color are your eyes?
Honey crap, honey crap, honey crap, honey crap.
There, yay. Smudgy, messed up eyeliner that I'm gonna go ahead and say I did on purpose because, you know, it's not that I'm good at makeup. It's that I'm really bad and people think I intentionally walk out on the street like that. So then everyone's like, you're so fashionable. No, I'm just bad at makeup. That's all. Okay, now, see this little thing of goatee? I do consider myself a man. I also consider myself, I pretend that I'm an alien because that's fun and In no way, shape, or form do I really think I'm an alien, but I like to pretend because it's more fun than being called a man. Anyways, aliens seem to be very androgynous to me, and whatever. I don't grow much facial hair, and when I do grow facial hair, I look like a crackhead that needs to shave his facial hair. So this is what I got. This is all. This is it. I literally have about 25 strands. So what I like to do is take this again. This is volume right now. And then I brush up. Until it looks like a really thick patch of pubic hair. Cause nothing screams sexy like having pubic hair on your face. Pubic hair face. And then I'm gonna take the long one. The one that makes your hair longer. I don't know the difference and I don't know how it would do anything else in the other. I have one piece of soul patch hair that's like 3 millimeters down lower than all the other ones. I try to ignore that one because then it like stands out, and my facial hair isn't allowed to do that. I'm the star of my face. Plain and simple. Okay. There we go. Yeah. Now that I have my eyeliner on and my eyebrows done and filled in my soul patch, I'm a real man, motherfudger. Yeah. Just kidding. I'm somewhere in the middle. Okay. My favorite is the dress up and drag. And people are always like, you have to make sure to do your drag voice, you know? Well, you know, my drag voice is usually along this lines when I would dress in feminine drag, but sometimes I purposely like to talk lower. And I'd use this as my drag voice. Because who the heck would use this as their drag voice? I just think it's funny. Okay, now that I got that done, I'm gonna take a bit more of this blackish gray that kind of matches my hair color, but really doesn't. I just lied to myself. There we go. Now that I look like a man wearing makeup that can't do makeup very well, I'm gonna go ahead and do this with my hair. And there we go. It's a look. Also, look at my ears now. Oh, like, they're still healing, so I got dried blood on it. Gross, I know. I'm so fierce. And, I have to push this up. Ouch! Ouch, gross! Okay, there you go. I have to push this up, actually, I really do, because it keeps going into my ear, and then my ear's trying to heal around the, like, black band. It's not good. But yeah, you've seen people with gauges. You've seen people with 2 gauges maybe on each ear, but who's the last person you saw with 3 gauges in each ear? Exactly, I have 3 gaping holes in each ear. Nothing screams sexy like gaping hole that smells like fucking ass. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Oh, I forgot. Last but not least, chapstick. Because I'm really bad at putting on lipstick. I hate lipstick, it gets on my teeth. And it gets everywhere. I can't kiss people, and I can't eat food or drink water. I can, but it's just a horrible experience. There you go. Yay! And that's my look, you guys. I hope you like it. Here we go. Face, 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 face. I just want to be beautiful. Anyways, that's my video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to get notified every single time I upload a new video. Click the little bell icon to get notified when I do. And I post videos every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sometimes more, sometimes less. Depends on how I feel. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching. You know, oh, and in the description below, you know, tell me something personal about yourself that you don't want the whole world to know. Ha! Okay, bye!